So I got 7 different ways to brainstorm ideas for keywords on what to rank in Google. Okay. Now, when it comes to blogging, I really strongly recommend a content cluster. So it works like this: maybe 10 steps to fixing a car, and each step can link to another article that goes into more detail, and that links back to your 10 steps. So you want a lot of interlinking going on. This really helps with SEO. It makes your job much more easier, and it helps with so many things. What you don't want to do, and I actually did this a long time ago, is have 10 different articles on 10 different topics. It's not as good. So you want to kind of link it together, and having these content clusters is great. So the first way is to come up with keywords on what to write about. Like, damn, how do I even brainstorm these keywords? Is use Google. So as you can see, if you write in how to fix a car, Google will give you lots of ideas. Boom, 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 boom. And that could be, and all these ideas could be a keyword you can go after. Now, you might want to obviously make it more long tail. And what you can even do farther is you could take one of these ideas and plug it back into Google, and it'll give you more ideas. So Google's a great way to give you lots of keyword ideas, and you know people are searching for this because it suggests it. So that's a great, great idea. Next up is when you, in the search results page, there's something called People Also Ask, and this will give you ideas right here. And you can even click this button, and it'll give you more ideas. Keep hitting buttons, and you'll get more ideas popping up that you can use for keywords on what you want to target in Google for like a blog post. All right, and then finally, well, not finally, but another idea is People Also Search For. These are all ideas as well. At the bottom of Google, there's a lot more ideas that you can use for keywords. All right, next up, if whatever your keyword that you want to talk about, say it's how to fix a car, right? What you could also do is you can start typing in like letters at the end, like A, B, C, F. And by typing in those one letter at a time or whatever, it can shoot you off a lot more brainstorm ideas that you can use on what to write about and what to go after, the keywords. Okay, next up is ChatGPT, and this is wonderful for brainstorming ideas. I use it all the time. Give me 50 long tail keyword ideas that are similar to fix my car. Hit the enter button, and then boom, you get a whole long list of ideas that you can use, and then you can see how they work for you. And right there. And the last one, number 7, is you want to niche down. And how it works like this. Say you're thinking about going out the keyword how to fix a car, but you can make it more long tail, like how to fix a 1996 Honda Civic, how to fix it with no tools, a sunroof in 1 hour, and then finally I couldn't help myself, but how do you fix a red Honda Civic in 1 hour with no tools and no hands? Every time I think about that, one person, 10 years is searching that. How do I do it? I have no hands. I gotta go. You want to niche down? I can't stop. All right, you want to niche down, okay? So now that you have your keyword ideas, I gotta stop laughing. You want to obviously see the supply and demand of the keyword. You want to see if it gets a lot of traffic and how much competition there is. So ideally, you're looking for keywords that have lots of traffic and no competition, right? Those are the ones you want to target and go after. So, but this will give you brainstorm a list of ideas that you have to run through some more tests to see if there's gold. You gotta find the gold out there, right? Oh, yeah, gold. So, anyways, if you want more, I actually created a whole video as well as a blog post about 20 benefits that a blog can give you. There's a lot more than just ranking in Google, even though that's one way is getting traffic. But there's a lot of benefits to a blog. And if you want to learn more, just click on the link somewhere in this video. And you can also click down in the description as well. I'll put the link down there. All right. You have a wonderful rest of your day. Okay, bye.